Hello beautiful friends, this is Monica with Nourish Functional Nutrition. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to my younger self and I'm going to talk to her about the 5 nutrition tips that I would give her if I had a chance. I've been a dietitian nutritionist for a very long time and I have learned a lot of nutrition tips, but these are my top 5 that I would definitely share with my younger self. If you're interested, keep watching. There's a quote by Maya Angelou that says, "I did then what I knew how to do. Now that I know better, I do better." I love that quote because it talks about the wisdom of getting older, and I want to share that wisdom with you. My number 1 tip, always eat whole foods, foods that come from the earth. Because when I was growing up, the era of the convenience foods was coming up and I was fascinated by being able to get things out of a package. I felt like if it came in a package and factory had made it, it must be really good because they knew what they were doing and they were food scientists after all, and they had my back. What I would say to my younger self now is go back to nature and eat those foods from the earth. Eat from nature because disease begins in the gut. Chronic illness begins in the gut. And what you feed yourself will become who you are. It will build your cells and your health. And because all disease begins in the gut, chronic conditions begin in the gut. What we eat makes a big difference. So remember to stay away from those processed foods as much as possible. Number 2, don't be afraid to chop vegetables and to get your hands wet and to work a little harder in the kitchen than you're used to. You will get used to it and you'll be so grateful that you did, because then you will learn the power of food to heal. Always drink purified water and be careful where your water is coming from. When I was a little kid, I had hepatitis when I was 7 years old from drinking dirty water, and that really messed me up and messed up my gut for a very long time. So water not only has impurities that come from the water being contaminated, but it also could have additives and chemicals that are used to purify the water. But sometimes those chemicals in large quantities, like chlorine or fluoride, could over time have detrimental effects. So in my home now, I have learned to purify my water. I use a water filter and I drink from glass containers and stainless steel containers. And by all means, at 18, I was drinking an awful lot of soda and juices for breakfast. So I would tell my younger self, ditch the soda, ditch the juices, and watch and see what that does for your health, and especially for your moods. Tip number 4, sugar is addictive and it affects your mood, your anxiety, your depression, and it is an inflammatory substance. It feeds inflammation and it feeds all chronic conditions. So I would definitely want to make sure that my younger self knew that. Joint pain and dysbiosis, any gut issues that I was having had a lot to do with all the sugar that I was eating, not to mention all of the cavities that I had to endure for so many years. And my tip number 5, the one that I always share with you, and I wish that somebody had shared with me when I was younger, and that is take control of your own health. Don't trust everything that you hear. Investigate everything, research everything, question everything, and take control of your own health, because there's an awful lot of misinformation going on out there, and unless you question it, you're never going to know whether it applies to you personally. Your health is your own. Your body is your own, and you're the one who is going to have to live with it. So that's my best advice to you. If you enjoyed these tips, please share them with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and tap on the bell so that you can get notified when I release a new video. I'm available to work with you one-on-one or in groups, and you can find more information about that on my website at nourishfunctionalnutrition.com, where you can also sign up for a free discovery call and download recipes and other resources that you can enjoy for free. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.